Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today my topic is home insurance. Finding the best home owners insurance policy for your situation. Can you save money and ensure that you have enough financial protection if you will need to file a home insurance claim in the future? Here are some tips to help you are finding the best home insurance. Review each basic coverage type and adjust the automatic fit your specific needs. You can then build on the base with extra coverage if needs. Here the what is the might look like. The amount of wedding coverage you need depends on the most repair of your home. This amount should be based on local construction and material cost. Your home insurance company will provide an estimate of daily coverage amount you need. It's challenging determine that right amount on your own. You may also want to add extra coverage like and added in fancier causes your dwelling coverage of a universal board your houses such as after a fire. For example, your insurance may after an extra darling coverage if you have base amount is not enough, so you specified enough money to rebuild your home to no matter what the contents coverage. Remember, you can store or damage personal possession covered by your home insurance policy. Credit is home inventory is a good one to calculate how much to coverage you need. You may also want to have replacement cost coverage. The replacement cost of new item as offset the actual cash value coverage, which plays only the difference of damaged item. Liability insurance pays out of people if you are saved of someone also injuries or property damage that when under your home insurance you want to buy enough liberty coverage. It cover what can be held taken from in law to all. Remember you of extra cost if you cannot live home because of damage from a problem created by your home insurance. It also pays extra living expenses if you are under a magnification such as an eviction order because of welfare even your home is not damaged. It also pays extra living expenses if you are under a mandatory evacuation, such as in an order because of one when even if your home is not damaged. Insurance company typically sells all coverage at percentage of damage coverage, such as but can you buy more coverage if you need it. Home insurance does not cover all from a you may include you fill in gaps in a policy with separate and supplement coverage like flood insurance, earthquake insurance better, and some powerful coverage or home system breakdown coverage. After thinking at how much homeowner insurance you need, you can start company home insurance quotes from multiple insurance companies zero into the cheapest. Compare home insurance quotes from at least the insurance companies. Thanks for watching my video.